Hello everyone, you're humbly welcome back to my YouTube channel. To you all my subscribers, I say a very big thank you to you for all your support towards the channel. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like the videos, comment and share with your family and friends, and get to be a part of this beautiful but new family where we learn together and unlearn and redefine perceptions. In this video, I will be sharing with you how a peanut snack or groundnut snack is made in my village. This snack is called Kuli Kuli and it is made right after the groundnut oil is extracted. I really appreciate how well my last video on groundnut oil making is doing right now, and I say a very big thank you to everybody out there for the support and love. Your comments, they are greatly appreciated. Akiali dide. Madam do zoom. Auntie explained to me that this part of the process is very tedious, and anytime she's done with the snack, her shoulders hurt a lot because of the rolling. So I see the country not along with William. These are guinea fowls. To appreciate you all for supporting this channel, I want to specially invite each and every one of you to join me here in Navrongo to enjoy these fowls with me. Please leave a comment and let us know where you are watching from. Let us also know whether you have this particular snack in your country and how differently you prepare it. Please do well to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment, and share the video with your family and friends. It goes a long way to help the channel. The Kuli Kuli is also pounded with pepper and other spices and herbs to make a spice called yazi. This spice is popularly called suya powder in most West African countries, and it can be used to spice meat and barbecues when grilling, and it leaves the meat with a very unique and delicious taste. I encourage everyone to give this spice a try. Peanut snack called Kuli Kuli can be enjoyed alone or with porridge, which Ghanaians refer to as koko. Thank you so much for watching. Please do well to subscribe, comment, and share the video with your family and friends. See you again in my next video. Bye bye. Bye.